Peace family, this is Essie coming to you with a live video. I wanted to give you guys an update on my homestead on my deck. I've been away for about 2 weeks, went on vacation, and I was a little bit scared of what I may come back home to. But actually I came back home to almost a full grown homestead. So as you can see, this is my abundance of lettuce, and I actually have potatoes growing in this pot here, which the green foliage tell me that my potatoes are growing. And in this pot I also have red potatoes in this pot, and in this pot I have white potatoes. My plants over here are my peppers. They are still in production. I haven't seen a pepper yet, but they are still in production. Up here my spinach is doing really well. I'm excited about that. um in this pot here I planted some carrots, so I'm looking forward to seeing the harvest of this box, like this bucket here, for my carrots. And then to my left, my pepper plants is actually thriving over here. My tomato plant is thriving here, and over here my tomato plant is also thriving. I actually have one little cherry tomato down there, as you can see. If you come up close, you see my one little cherry tomato. I'm really excited about that. Y'all probably laugh and say, oh, she got one tomato, but you know what? I'm happy about it. And again, my parsley is thriving. My mint is thriving. My rosemary is thriving over here. It's really doing well. And then over here, my pineapple sage is really thriving. My hot spicy oregano is doing well, but it's not. I guess I expected it to run a little bit more than what it's doing, but it's still doing well. My strawberries were going through some changes, and I actually tried to really nurse them back, and it seems to be doing well. I did some research, and they said strawberries are heavy feeders, so I've been adding fertilizer on the regular. And as you can see, if you come up close here, I have like 3 strawberries. They ain't ready to harvest, but they there. And then over here, I actually did bare root strawberries over here, and I'm excited because I see some foliage, so that means they're doing something in this pot. So you can see the crowns are still there, but at least I see one that's forming. It's foliage, so that's a good sign. And then my cabbage is really doing well. I'm excited about my cabbage. You see they starting to boil up. They actually getting hard. So I'm really excited about harvesting those. Those are doing really well. Didn't seem like they needed a whole lot of care, but still keeping my eyes out, making sure that you know they don't get disease or insects come and attack them and things of that nature. And yeah, so what I wanted to do today is do an unboxing of some planting essentials. I don't really know what came today, but I'm excited to see what items came today. But I did order a smart pot, so I'm interested in seeing how smart pots work. But I don't think this is a smart pot. This is probably some type of seed that I ordered. Let's see what this is. Oh no, this is actually cocoa core. I did a lot of research with some gardeners that I've been following, and they recommend cocoa core. And actually, you dip it in water, and it expands, and it helps with, I believe, the pH level of your soil, and it also helps retain moisture. So I look forward to using this weekend. I'm gonna be planting some squash, watermelon, and some more tomatoes. So yeah, cocoa core. And let's see what's in this box. I'm hoping this is my smart parts. Let's see. Well, yes, it's my smart pots. Yeah, they call them smart pots, grow bags, and I think I actually ordered about 10 of these to try these out. They're supposed to be really good in growing vegetables because the bags actually have good air circulation. And I think this bag is actually, it may be a 7 gallon or a 10 gallon. But yeah, you could actually grow potatoes in here, tomatoes, squash, cucumbers. I've seen people grow plenty of stuff in these bags. So I'll be planting in these this weekend. And again, thanks for watching my videos. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will come to you with an update on how these is working and what I will plant this coming weekend. So thank you for watching.